Are you tired of battling stubborn cellulite with no results? You are not alone, and it can feel frustrating when you try everything to smooth your skin but nothing seems to work. Many people turn to DIY remedies or expensive treatments, hoping for a miracle. Unfortunately, these options often fall short, leaving you disappointed and out of pocket. It's time to stop wasting time and money on solutions that just don't deliver. Introducing CelluCare, a supplement designed specifically to target the appearance of cellulite. What sets it apart? CelluCare combines powerful natural ingredients that support skin health and elasticity, helping to give your skin that smoother look you've been longing for. In fact, one key ingredient, derived from a unique plant, has shown promising results in improving skin texture. Users report a noticeable difference